Welcome to my new Reiki room out in the forest. This is where literally the magic happens. And if you come out to see me in Windsor, South Carolina, this will be your view. Okay, the sun is getting ready to set now. And it's just so peaceful out here. Let me see here. So we have a view of trees, no cars, no neighbors, no loud mufflers going by. We just have this super inconspicuous, oh my gosh, I can't talk, well rock. Totally blends in, right? And yeah, trees and more trees. So anyway, you won't be out there, but this is where you can come enjoy a session or have a distance session with me. I still do them in here, of course. And let me take you around the room. So, that blanket for your comfort if it's cool in here. My sound bowl, crystal singing bowl. Lots of crystals and rattles and sage and Palo Santo. And this very sad looking coffee plant. I'm trying to keep it alive. Don't judge me. Got some essential oils and sprays. And all kinds of drawings of spirit guides. And my beloved apophyllite crystal. I can't even fit it in the frame. I love that thing. My journal where I keep notes for sessions. Kleenex, of course, is always needed because you never know what's going to come up during a Reiki session. More essential oils. More singing bowls. This is my golden healer pendulum I use to assess and balance chakras sometimes. Mostly during distance sessions. This ametrine, which is citrine and amethyst, for removing energetic blockages, heavy, dense energy. And then I have all these crystals that I use for different chakras. Oh, more oils and sprays. And my little meditation area that my 12-year-old self insisted on having. With this little princess drape here. And my tapestry. Here's the view from the head of the Reiki or massage table, whatever you want to call it. Gorgeous. Hope you can feel the peace because it is amazing here. And some watercolors I made. I'm not professional. I was just practicing, but that was a lot of fun. And then selenite lamp. In case I put my radio. Aging myself. That's where I put my cell phone to play music. And I have a little atomizer where I put essential oils and make the whole room smell nice. Yeah. some crystal grids, some books, and that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed my tour, and I hope to come see you sometime on this very comfy bed. Thanks for watching. Bye.